are back with the adventures. We are headed to Florida. We've got a small child, a small person, since our last video. Hi. Are you watching cartoons? Are you excited to go on the big girl plane? Yeah. Okay, good talk. Are you excited to go on the big girl plane?
I'm excited. I'm preparing all of our child's needs. Got milk, got bottles, got juice land, got coffee. We're good.
Where are we going?
Destin.
When I looked at the itinerary, Austin built this new terminal. It's a south terminal. It's essentially just a shack in the middle of nowhere. And our itinerary said south terminal, so I took us to the south terminal, unloaded 3 suitcases, a stroller, a car seat, got the baby out, got to the gate, and they were like, oh no, that airline flies out of the main terminal now. So we had to load the car up, suitcases, car seat, the baby, everything, back into the car, drive like 10 minutes down the road to the main terminal, find parking, get through TSA. They had a million questions. And now here we are with less than an hour until the flight takes off. And I am in desperate need of a cerveza. Our vacation has not started smooth, but I'm hoping once we get in the air, we get going, we'll be smooth sailing from there. So we're good to go. I'll catch you on the flippy floppy. To Pensacola, is it Florida?
Florida.
And then we have to drive an hour to Destin. But this is the best scenario we come up with. Didn't hit any turbulence, didn't hit any tropical storms. Success.
Okay, here we go.
One step for man, one step for me.
Whoa. What do you think, Lily? What do you think?
Come on up. Yeah, flaps up, wings back.
All right, come on. Come on, get out of there. We made it! Sterling Sands. Hopefully it's nice. The pictures were nice. We made it to Destin, Lily. We made it to Destin! Yay! I saw that smile.
All right, here's the condo. Got a nice bathroom, queen bed, bunk beds. I call top bunk, know what I'm saying, Katie? Okay, twerk it, mommy, twerk it. She's thirsty. Nice little kitchen. Little fridge. Hey, whoa, what's up? Come over here. I don't know what's up with Florida, but they love their Florida ceiling mirrors. It's like the 3rd condo I saw that had them. Nice little wet bar. Maybe make some margaritas, get crazy. I don't know. Flat screen, probably won't be needing any of that. Look at this view though.
Isn't that wonderful?
Wow.
She's been watching it. She's been enjoying all
How's
the
the
kids.
beach?
She said that little,
How's the beach?
that boy down there has been, we've been watching him, checking him out. He's been flopping around.
Look at this view. We're like 50 yards from the beach. We gotta go find somewhere to eat.
Yeah, let's go get
And then we gotta get some drinks.
And then we gotta go get some groceries.
And then we gotta get groceries. Not in that order, but we'll figure it out. You wanna go to the beach?
You get to the beach? Look at you crazy.
You wanna go to the beach? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Let's get these blinds open. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Let's get to the beach.
Yeah.
You styling.
Whoa, big girl, ready for the beach.
What do you think about the beach? I mean, you got your own personal pool here.
You got a cooling towel?
You got a cooling towel. You got a fan, a Mr. Fan. You got a regular fan. Shoot, you living the life, girl.
Yeah, it actually feels nice in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, mami, mamacita. Good morning. Say hi. Say good morning, Florida. All right, you need your milk and Daddy needs his coffee.
Some dolphins.
That is not the sound a dolphin
Okay, let me
makes.
try again.
Dying dolphin.
McCall needs to step up his sales game so we can get one of these bad boys. He needs to make more sales, Mom. Baby, you need to spend all morning and night working on them sales for Mommy.
Yeah, I'll get you a rowboat. That's how much we can afford.
McCall's gonna do that one next.
That butt can't fit on there.
Do we think he can fit?
No, there's a weight limit, and it's way more than what I weigh.
Fish are friends. Go. Let's see. Where are the fishies at?
Wow.
Lame.
I got gypped. Booked this condo for 4 nights and we are staying 6 nights, so we have to pack all of our things and move to another condo because we did not prepare properly. We had some other plans where we were going to go to Alabama and those fell through, and then the condo told us we couldn't stay an extra day, so now we have to go down the street and find a different condo. So we have to pack the car back up and then move down the street to the other condo and then pack up again and go to the airport in a couple days. I will say though, if you are coming to Destin, Florida, Sterling Sands Resort is amazing. You're 20 feet from the beach, and they have tents and chairs that you can rent for really cheap. It's a good place. We open up our balcony door and we're literally watching the waves. It's crazy. It's a crazy experience. Sterling Shores, I'd give it an 8.7 out of 10. They didn't have some small things like salt and pepper that I thought that they should have had. Little things like that knocked it down a little bit, but good place to stay.
Sir, can you spare some change, sir? Our cars are broken down and we have no money.
Is it working for them?
We can't get into the condo because the gate broke.
But either can
and there's
the
nobody
guy in
working at the
front.
office.
And nobody at the guardsman desk, which is guarding you. Oh, there it goes.
Come on, Speed Racer.
Oh, go.
Hey! Crisis averted.
We're in.
We're in.
We can skivvy up to the bar and get some action going.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. You see? She has her mouth open. You like it? Big smiles. You like that? Yeah.
Is that cute?
Okay, it's going. Oh, it's coming.
Good morning, party people. We made it into the new resort at 4 o'clock yesterday. No thanks to the front desk ladies who wouldn't let us in early, who promised us they would get us in early because of poor Lily being all homeless and whatnot. Resort was super nice when we got here, but we didn't get to experience anything. Couldn't get in the water because a tropical storm came through and the water was too crazy. And then the pool was overrun by people, and then it started raining. So we hung out, went to dinner, and then we all crashed pretty early. And now we're headed to the airport to get on a big girl plane. Isn't that right, Lily? To go back home. Oh, wiggle worm. Yeah, that's our view. It's fancy. I'd give this place a higher rating if we were here for a couple days, but we only got here one day and couldn't really use everything that they had to. Are you giving your review? 4 out of 5 giggles. But we are headed to the airport, packing up now, so we will see you in the next travel adventure. You wanna say bye?